Hello, everybody. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me for another throwback video. All right, so right away, I'm just going to tell you guys this is from November of 2021. So 4 years ago. It is video number 391. So if you want to see or know what was going on with me 4 years ago and the colors that I use and all that stuff, even though I'm showing you guys here what the colors are. But you can head on over to video 391 to get all the information, or just watch this one and watch the other one too. Watch whatever you like. So yeah, that's what this video is. So let's see what is going on here today. It is Saturday, November 8th. And I'm happy to say that the studio is 95% done. I mean, it's all unboxed, it's all unpacked, it's all been put somewhere. Most of the stuff's been put away in its proper home. Obviously, there are things I'm gonna have to or want to rearrange and find like better homes for. Some things I, might use very often that I want to put in a spot that is more easily accessible. But yeah, it is, all the boxes are unpacked. So that is step number one. So that's all done and I'm really excited. And like I said, I've found a home for everything, almost everything, pretty much everything. But I just might need to rearrange a few things. So that means that I'll be hopefully doing some new videos for you guys. And it'll likely be within the next week or two at the very latest, because I'm going away. I've had enough. It's time for a break. Anthony and I are going away. More on that another time. But yes, we are taking a little vacation. And when I get back, everything's going to be ready to go. If you are on Facebook, you would have seen that I posted my new laser machine arrived the other day. It got dropped off. I posted a video of the gentleman unloading it from the truck. The thing is flippin' huge. It's really big. And so I need to kind of now organize the garage, because I need to hook it up to the filter machine, and I'm going to need to learn how to set it up and set it up with my computer software program, because it's, set up with the old machine, and the old machine I'm not going to be using anymore. So I am selling it. If anyone is interested in a laser machine, I know I live in Canada, but I am selling it at a very, very good price. Just to keep in mind, I'll give you this, like the quick specs for anyone who is truly interested. I mean, serious inquiries only. But the machine itself is worth about $12,000, $12,000 to $13,000 American. So you'd be getting a hefty discount. I'd be selling that for a pretty low price, because I don't need it. And I don't need two of them in the garage. So if anyone is truly interested and you live close to the Detroit border, because I'm literally 1 hour away from the Detroit border in Sarnia over here in Ontario. So you could always cross the border, bring a trailer, buy it. Or if you live in Canada and you're interested in it, shoot me an email, kanellaciraco@gmail.com, if you truly are interested in this amazing laser machine. It cuts wood. You've seen my laser videos, guys. I mean, it does tumblers, it cuts wood, it engraves. I mean, it's a great machine for anyone who wants to start up a little side business, that kind of thing. But yeah, so my new machine has arrived, and I need to organize the garage. So now that the studio is kind of all set up, the garage is my next priority, because I need to start making spinners. Spinners, everyone who has pre-ordered, I'm hoping to start producing spinners when I get back from my vacation. And so, you know, look for an email from me or a message, depending on how you contacted me via email or message. And I will have, I'll have spinners starting and getting on the go. So yeah, that's what's kind of been happening here. You know, last minute touches being done to the house. Finally, after a month and a half of being here, the hood vent in my kitchen, the proper hood vent for my kitchen, has been installed. I've been here with the original hood vent that the builder put in. There was issues with where the hole was and the exhaust and yada yada. And finally, yesterday, they finally sent someone to cut a new hole, the brickwork, all that stuff, patchwork, yada yada. And I finally have my new hood vent that matches the rest of my appliances installed. So I'm super happy about that. And I will give you guys a tour of the new home, a tour of the studio, a tour of the garage workshop. All of that is coming up very shortly within the next week or two. I'll be giving you guys a tour. So I'm excited to show you guys all the new fun stuff, and I'm excited to finally start painting again. It's been probably 2 months, if not more, since I've done a painting. So I'm really excited to get into the new studio, on the new table my dad built me, and make a great piece for my new piece in the new studio, in the new house. I cannot wait. It's going to be a special one. And if anyone is interested in workshops here at my home here in London, drop it in the comments, because I'm thinking of doing a workshop in December. If anyone wants to come and see the new studio and come and hang out with me and learn with me. So if you are interested in coming to London, Ontario to do a workshop with me here in the studio in December sometime, I know it's Christmas and all that, but I mean, depending on the feedback I get in the comments below, I might consider it. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you'd be interested in. And yeah, that's it. So, loving this painting. It's, pretty colors, loving the gold and the pink in there. Let's see what else. Leave comments below what you guys think about this one. But again, always go and check out the original video 391 from 4 years ago. I'm loving some of these color palettes from these throwbacks. They're actually like super pretty. So I might redo some of these, once I get started in the new studio, because, you know, 4 years ago I had different hair dryers. I was holding the hair dryer differently. A lot of things have changed in 4 years. So there's some really cool, neat color patterns that I did way back that I don't really do now. So it's giving me inspiration to try these again and see what kind of outcome I would get now that I'm more experienced. But yeah, so that's pretty much what's been going on around here. I had a plumber come in the other day and install the bathtub in the basement and a sink in the electrical, you know, furnace room. So now I have a sink. So I have running water down there so I can wash my hands or any like stuff I need to clean up after painting and stuff like that. So I'm finally happy to have running water downstairs. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm excited to start new videos soon. Give me another week or two, guys, honestly, and I am going to have a new video for you guys. New video in the new studio. It's coming, I promise. It's been a long ordeal, but, you know, I'm only me, you know, and Anthony helps when he can, but he also has a, you know, job and he works, so he's not here all the time to help, unlike me. I'm home all the time, all day, every day. So I've been a one-man show. But yeah, that's it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.